County Sheriff's deputy who made national headlines after escaping the backseat of a patrol car is headed to rehab. And 23 ABC's Ken Masenchi was at the courthouse for Deputy Edward Tucker's sentencing. He has more details on his plea deal. Ken?
Jackie, Tucker's escape made major headlines, and he was able to elude his fellow deputies for days. Now, despite being caught on camera, he struck a deal with the county in a move that his lawyer hopes could lead to a more compassionate justice.
A case so bizarre it was hard to believe. A sheriff's deputy escapes a patrol car at the Kern County jail in his sandals, just a few feet away from fellow deputies, and it's all caught on camera.
It gained an unusual amount of attention because the ease with which he walked away from the sheriff's car.
It was a situation so crazy, Tucker's former boss couldn't help but laugh when asked if Tucker could escape again following his arrest 2 days later.
That's almost comical. He's not getting out of our custody.
And that's where Tucker's been ever since. After nearly 6 months behind bars, he heads to a year-long residential drug rehab program as part of a plea deal. His sentencing also includes 3 years of felony probation. Charges including escaping police custody and possessing a controlled substance had been dismissed last month. For Tucker's attorney Kyle Humphrey, this deal could pave a way for a new type of prosecution in Kern County.
In this particular case, there was a true compassion and an evidentiary approach to what should happen. And I think under all the circumstances, society benefited and my client benefited by this outcome.
Compassion, a word not typically associated with justice, was what satisfied Humphrey, especially because Tucker used to work as a deputy for the sheriff's department.
This guy's given so much to us. How do we fix the problem instead of just a desire to punish? And I do appreciate the district attorney's office willingness to be compassionate in this case. And I hope they get the same good feeling from it that I do, and maybe we can start working more compassionately to resolve cases.
You can find a full timeline featuring Tucker's first arrest, the escape, and more that led up to today's sentencing on the 23 ABC mobile and tablet app. In the newsroom, Ken Masenchi, 23 ABC.